Hey everyone, I just wanted to make this short video about the best-selling Redbubble stickers. I think by looking at the best-selling stickers on Redbubble, we can use the data that we see here and figure out what kind of stickers are selling the best. So this is page 1. You can see here there's about 108 stickers right here, and these are the best-selling stickers on Redbubble today. And I'm going to break it down, and I think the data will surprise you. So you're going to want to stay till the end and see all the data that I found by looking at the best-selling stickers on Redbubble. So one of the things that I found is about 11% of the best-selling stickers on page 1 were copyrighted stuff. The next thing is I notice a lot of designs in circles. So if you can make a circle sticker, those sell really well. That's a great shape that people love to buy. 7% of the designs on page 1 were designs in circles. There were a lot of stickers that were mostly words. 14% of those best-selling stickers were just words and easy to design. So if you're not a graphic designer, you still have a chance to make stickers that sell on Redbubble. 15% of the stickers on page 1 of the best-selling stickers are funny stickers. So if you can think of something funny, you have a good chance of selling on Redbubble, especially on stickers. The next thing I noticed was that there were a lot of plants and flower stickers. 17 of those designs were plants or flowers. There were also quite a few black and white stickers. You can see 20 of those stickers on page 1 were just black and white stickers, no color at all. So people love buying black and white stickers. Animals took up 21% of the best-selling stickers on Redbubble. People love animal stickers and it shows. So another design trend is watercolor or paint. 23% of the top selling stickers were watercolor kind of paint designs. And lastly, and probably not a big surprise to a lot of you, is that stickers with no words at all, stickers like these, took up 51% of the best-selling stickers on page 1. So here's the full list. So this is a good time to take this snapshot so you can kind of see the breakdown of the best-selling stickers, at least this January 2020. And hopefully by using this data, you can start making stickers that sell well on Redbubble. That is it for this video. Don't forget about the question of the day. Leave in the comments what kind of stickers would you design after looking at this data. Thanks so much for watching. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.